Hello again. I'm Frank. This is Trini. Say hi, Trini. Over here. And today we're going to learn about farm and farm animals. You ready, Trini?
Yes.
Yes. Do you hear that? What's coming? I hear something coming. This is a tractor. Tractor. So today we learned about farm animals. We have the horse, little puppies. We got fences, hay. Got a barn. Usually chickens on the barn. Tractors, cows, and calves. Doggy.
Doggy.
Horse.
Horse.
This is a cow.
Cow. And little cow.
And little cow. Sheep.
Sheep.
Chicken.
Chicken.
This is a barn.
Barn.
Tractor.
Tractor.
This is a cow.
Cow.
Can you bring me the cow, Trini? Cow. So, Trini, say bye.
Bye.
Thumbs up. See you next time. Thank you for watching.